We are on a triple lot right here on the south side of Canyon Lake. This is fully fenced all the way around, and we've got parking for your RV in the back. I cannot wait to take you back and show you some more. You don't see this every day. Take a look at this pull-through parking. You enter through one gate and you drive through, pull out the other side. You can park your RV, trailer, pontoon boat, you name it. You can park them right here at your home. Check out this peaceful backyard. It is a sanctuary out here. It is so peaceful. You can hear the birds chirping. Deer are everywhere. They've got storage in the backyard. You're gonna love it.